Welcome back to the channel, folks. We got a new kit here we're going to unbox. It is 1968 F-250 custom cab by Moebius in 1/25 scale. Let's go ahead and crack her open and see what's inside. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Some chrome parts. Oh, right away we see the grill. I don't know if you can see that really well in the camera. A couple of bumpers, front and rear. Some mirror parts. Looks like two different types of mirrors. Got your West Coast mirrors and standard mirrors. Some valve covers. A little piece of trim right here. I think that's for the... I'm not sure what that's for. I thought it would be for the nose of the truck here, but obviously not. Well, we'll have to look and see when that time comes what that is. Well, maybe it's this bottom bar. Well, I'm not sure. Alright. And we have the cab. Solid. Oh, that's really thick. This is my first Moebius kit. Kind of simple looking here. Surprised that's not all gone out of there. Yeah, what kind of English was that? I'm surprised this piece is here and it's not hollow, you know. Got the inner fender wells. Decent looking. Another package of chrome parts. Little miscellaneous things. There's some badging. Looks like lights for the top of the cab. I guess there's going to be a couple ways you can build this one. Some optional parts. And here we have, looks like firewall. Wheel backing. Everything is sealed up in bags. More wheels. Some nice tires. 5 tires. I guess they'd give you an option to hang a spare on the side or underneath, maybe. Oh yeah, look at there. Shows it being hung underneath. That's pretty neat. Some discoloration here. Doesn't matter. I mean, we're going to end up painting all these, right? I don't know if you can see it clearly through the bag. There's the steering wheel. Air cleaner. Half a radiator. Some neat looking wheels. Almost give you the illusion of having the brake drums built right into them. And another steering wheel. Wow. What I don't see. And here's some clear parts. Basic stuff. Windshield. Vent windows. Headlights. Little side lights. And this must be the bed. Yep. Bed and the side box side pieces. Inner fender wells for the bed. Bench seat. It's a single cab, I think. Yep. Nice detailing on the inner door panels. Those look nice. Some these things. Decal things. Here's the instructions. We'll get back to the decals in a sec. Instructions are really nice. Man, it's like a magazine. This is wow, it's really nice paper. Real high end there, Moebius. Basic stuff here. One piece frame. Make it easier to put together, because you know how much fun it is putting them two sides together. Yep, there's where the old spare goes in. That's pretty slick. I like that. It's often overlooked on vehicles, on model cars. Heck, it's even overlooked on real cars nowadays. You don't even get a spare most of the time. Gotta save money somehow, right? Engine build. Well, it's rare that the engine building is third item. Usually it's number one. Put the chassis together on first, and then wheels. The cab. Interior, pretty simple. Sides, seat, platform, backing, and whatever that is. A cross member. Okay. Yep, a couple of pedals. Pretty neat. I like it though. The quality of the plastic really feels really good. So seven items to get your final assembly. And then of course paint and decal isn't considered part of building the model, I guess. Pretty slick. Oh, here's some color chart. Give you some ideas on how to build it, I guess according to the box. Or you can build it your way. Choice is yours. That's one of the beauties of building model cars. You can build it however the heck you want. I'm going to go ahead and grab some scissors, cut open the decals because I'm curious. Give me just a second here. I won't turn off the video. I'll just let it roll. Hope you're alright with that. Hope you're all having a great day. I don't know about you, but where I'm at, it's officially winter. We got hit with some snow a couple days back, and it's just the temperature is just relentless right now. It's not melting anytime soon. Alright, there we go. We got Ford in black and in white. I don't know if you can see it real good with the light reflecting off of it. Shop fresh, shop local. Say that 5 times fast. Some decals for your air cleaner. Custom. Ford 250. Shop at the Red Rock Farmers Market. There you go. And again, with my aging eyes, I can't tell you the states that those two license plates are from, but you get 2 different license plates and then a speedometer decal. So that's it. Just want to do a quick video of the unboxing of this Moebius 68 F-250 custom cab by Ford. And I think this is going to be the next kit we put together. So come on back and partake in the fun with me. Alrighty? Thanks for coming here. Please like, share, and subscribe. And have yourself a good one, and I'll see you next time.